All right, guys, this is the 23rd hired request on the 2018 list. We're doing Keane, and the song is This Is the Last Time, and it's an acoustic version, acoustic live version, and let's hear it. This is the last time that I will say these words, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson in just a second. All the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your phones, tablets, desktop computers, laptops. Fast streaming for everyone. I will say if you are a complete beginner or you need to get used to my method, there are 50 lessons on webpianoteacher.com to get you started. Just scroll down the main library list alphabetically to the letter L for lesson. There'll be 50 lessons there and get you everything you need. But let's go ahead and continue here with this part 1. We're actually going to do it 5 times like it says. The first time is the intro, and then it serves for the verse as well, okay? So here are the chords. Let's learn the chords. 1, 2, 3. There's really not 4, there's really 3 because the fourth one is the same as the first one. Let's learn the 3 chords and then we'll put some rhythm to it, all right? So we have B, D, G in the right, 1, 2, 5, left hand on a G octave. There's your first chord. Now let's change to the next one. We'll do rhythm in a minute. C, D, F sharp, 1, 2, 4. Left hand keeps that G pedal bass note. Then we go to a C chord. This was a D7 chord over a G pedal. This one's a C chord. C, E, G, left hand with still the G on the bass. And then the last chord is the same as the first, the G chord. So we have C, and then G. Now the rhythm is, all right, da 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B, D, G. On the right you go bum, and then we're just going to play the same notes in the chord. Just going to roll it. B, D chord, B, D chord, B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And the thing is you have to accent the chord. We don't really accent the notes in the middle too much. The single notes we don't accent at all. We just accent the chord. So we kind of almost hear da 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 da. So those little notes are there, but they're not dominating. Second measure, same idea, C, D, F sharp, C, D. Then the next one, C, E, G is the same thing. Pop, 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 pop. And I even put accents over those just to remind you to accent. That was a little different. Look at that one. Da, 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 accent, ba, ba, ba. So a little bit different pattern. Same idea though. Now on this one, when it goes back to G, ba, 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 sometimes he will put a C, D, G in there instead of the B. So I put a little C in parentheses. Okay? And then we have G in the left hand, B in the right, as he does it that one time. Right there. Or you can, I like the C in there every time, but the G chord if you want, but sometimes it's nice to have that C in there. All right, so that's the first time. Then you go through it 4 more times to make 5. First time's introduction, and then 4 more times for the verse. So let's play it one more time. Going. All right, so there you go for your part 1. Let's enjoy that, and I'll talk to you later.